What's up you guys, Tyson De La Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'm going to help you avoid burnout. And I'm not talking about the burnout that Vin Diesel does in the Fast and the Furious movies. It's all about family. You live a life for a quarter mile at a time. The topic of burnout attracts a couple different types of people. One of which is a person who thinks they're in burnout all the time.
You don't understand. Things are hard. I'm feeling burnt out, bro.
I'm just burning out, man. Things are tough.
Then it attracts the other side of the coin. People are like,
I'm confused. I'm not burnt out, man. I could go harder. I could go faster. I need to go on. I need to do this. I can push through, bro.
First, before we can avoid burnout, you have to identify what type of person you are. There are several different types of personalities that actually experience burnout. Identifying which personality type you are will allow you to better avoid burnout. Are you a perfectionist? If everything isn't right, the perfectionist personality type isn't going to be happy.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now, was I rushing or was I dragging? Count again. 1, 2, 3.
Everything needs to be perfect and precise. Newsflash, life ain't perfect. Are you a pessimist? No matter what you get them or what they do, they're never really happy. So achieving a specific result isn't necessarily rewarding to this type of person. Are you a control freak? At some point when your business is growing or your personal life is expanding, you can't control the every single intricate workings of your business or your life. So when growing, you essentially gotta lose control.
Music make you lose control.
Or maybe you're just a type A personality. A type A personality is incredibly competitive and they always compare themselves to everyone else. They generally try to compete in everything in life, whether that's their business, their food's better than yours, their car's better than yours. They always want to be like the winner. Like they always want to have the competitive edge. They always feel like they gotta be in front. Regardless on what achievements they achieve, they always feel that they can do better. So ask yourself, which one of these personality types are you? Now that you identified what personality type you are, now it's time to identify the actual cause of the burnout. Here are just a few examples of what may cause burnout. Neglect. Maybe you're neglecting to look at something, or maybe you're potentially avoiding to look at something more in depth. It's like this meme that I saw a couple weeks ago with this bear chasing this guy, and it says, all the tasks that are chasing me that will only take 15 minutes, and then has the guy running, and it's like for what? Like all these tasks are only gonna take 15 minutes to review and do. Why are you running from them? Maybe you're overloaded and you have too much on your plate, stretching yourself too thin. Maybe there's a lack of growth in your business or in your personal life. Or maybe you're just bored and no longer stimulated with your existing business or personal life. And you need to find something a little more stimulating. Tip number 1 to help you avoid burnout: protect your yes. It is okay to say no. You don't have to say yes to everything all the dang time. It's completely okay to say no without explanation and not have shame or guilt around you saying no. Simply just be respectful and be polite when you're saying the no. And to be honest with you, if the person you're telling no to doesn't fully respect and understand your no, maybe you should reevaluate who you're talking to. Tip number 2. Turn off your phone. It's okay to get away from your phone from time to time. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb or airplane mode. Leave your phone in the car. Leave your phone in the house. And you don't have to be attentive to what's on the screen here. Actually be attentive and pay attention to the life around you. Tip number 3, kids. No. I'm not telling you to go knock somebody up. I'm definitely not telling you to do that. Kids have this amazing, inquisitive, innocent behavior, and it's so playful and joyous, and every time that I'm around kids, it just comes out. I automatically smile and start laughing and playing, and just seeing them react to the world around them is simply just a joy. All of us have this childlike behavior within us. We just simply forgot or neglect to play from time to time. And it is okay. Bring that childlike behavior and enthusiasm out into the world. If you don't have kids of your own, go ahead and borrow a friend or family member's kid and just return them when you're done hanging out with them. Then you don't have to deal with all that child support. And listen guys, you don't have to borrow anybody's kid to be playful and act kid-like. You could just simply do kid things. Go skateboarding, ride a bike, fly a kite, swing on a swing, go swimming, jump, play hopscotch, basketball, roll down a grassy hill. I'm telling you, playing like a kid recharges you. Tip number 4, take a quick getaway. Go on a quick recharging vacation to a beautiful place. Gain a new perspective on something. If you don't live close to water, go to a beach. If you don't live close to some mountains or some trees, go visit some mountains or some trees. This gains a new perspective and breaks up the daily routine. Tip number 5, gratitude. Give gratitude to the people that you love, care about, and admire on a daily basis. Send them random text messages or voice notes and telling them how much you care for them and thank you for their support along your journey. And have an amazing day. Donate your time to people at need. Go to a homeless shelter. Spend some time with those individuals and also gain a new perspective. Snail mail some letters to some people. I guarantee you this is an absolute game changer to help you avoid burnout. Tip number 6, simplify your life. Look at every aspect of your life that's complicated and create systems for it. How to handle bills, how to handle expenses, how to handle family time, etc. Creating a process for things creates clarity. Clarity reduces overwhelm. Reduced overwhelm equals avoiding burnout. If you're like me, it's time to organize that Tupperware cabinet. Start putting things in the correct placement so I don't have to search for lids all the time. Tip number 7, spa day, bitches! Go get you a foot massage, a full body massage, a facial. Get a mani and pedi.
3 words for you. Treat yourself.
It's a great way to get that blood circulating through your body and move that stagnant energy around. We store a lot of unwanted energy in our body. That explains a lot of individuals with protracted shoulders or lower back issues or sciatic problems simply because we don't stretch enough or enroll in a proper self-care program to move that energy and blood circulation through our body. Me personally, I get massages at least once every 2 weeks. Remember guys, life and business is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Although it might feel like it sometimes, it's okay. It doesn't gotta be done tomorrow. It doesn't gotta be done right now, especially for all you entrepreneurs out there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, I'd greatly appreciate you smashing that like button down below. And I'd love to hear which one of these tips help you avoid burnout personally. Place that in the comment section below. And if you feel that anybody's gonna resonate with this content, go ahead and share it with them. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you get to. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are turned on. Guys, I hope you have a phenomenal day. Be kind, rewind. Peace.